If you love making jerky at home, there is one tool that can save time and make things way more fun. A lot of people skip it, then wonder why their strips never look the same. This video is all about the best jerky guns. I am breaking down options across different price ranges, and each one fits different use cases, so watching the full video helps you spot the one that makes sense for your setup and goals. You will find links to every product down in the description. If this video helps, tap like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and drop any questions in the comment section. Now let's get into the reviews and see what each jerky gun brings to the table. Number 6. Chefnificent Jerky Gun Kit. Landing at number 6, this one focuses on simplicity and batch size. It feels aimed at people who want results without a learning curve. The barrel holds a good amount of meat per fill, so reload breaks happen less often. That helps keep prep moving during long sessions. You get 3 nozzle shapes, letting you press flat strips, snack sticks, or smaller bites. Switching shapes is quick and keeps each batch feeling flexible. This tool covers more than jerky. It can handle sausage stuffing and other ground meat prep, which adds value for home cooks and outdoor fans. The plastic build is food safe and light, coming in at just over 10 ounces, so hand fatigue stays low. A grip handle and firm pusher give steady control without extra setup steps. Cleanup stays simple. Parts come apart fast and rinse clean without tools. The size stays compact at about 6 inches wide and under 10 inches tall, making storage easy. This pick sits in the budget range. It fits hunters, campers, meal preppers, and gift buyers. Number 5. Pusutong Stainless Steel Jerky Gun Kit. Number 5 steps things up with a heavier feel and a more kitchen-ready look. This one leans into durability and control, rather than keeping things ultra-light. The barrel and nozzles are metal, and everything comes polished, so it feels smooth and clean right out of the box. Capacity lands closer to 1 pound of ground meat in real use, which still works well for steady home prep without constant refills. 5 nozzle shapes give you flat strips, double strips, round sticks, and longer snack styles, making it easy to switch up textures. Operation stays manual with a pump handle. The action is smooth, and the swivel handle helps line things up on trays or parchment. Cleaning stands out here. Stainless steel surfaces wipe down fast, and the included brushes reach into tight gaps with little effort. There are a few trade-offs. Some buyers mention plastic parts in the handle area wearing out over time, and long sessions can leave hands feeling tired. This one sits in the lower mid-range and leans toward people who want metal construction without jumping into higher-priced options. Number 4. Janker Jerky Gun Kit. Number 4 brings a heavier, more industrial feel compared to earlier picks. This one looks built for people planning to make a lot of jerky at once. I see this option standing out for capacity and structure. The stainless steel body pairs with a die-cast aluminum handle, giving it noticeable weight at over 3 pounds. That extra mass helps keep things steady during pressing. Usable capacity lands around 1.5 pounds of meat, which works well for longer prep sessions without stopping often. 5 stainless steel nozzles cover flat strips, thicker strips, meat sticks, and sausage shapes, so switching styles stays simple. Operation stays manual and beginner-friendly. Assembly feels straightforward, and the polished metal surface helps speed up cleanup once you are done. 2 cleaning brushes come included, which helps clear meat from tighter nozzle areas. It works with dehydrators and standard casings, though some buyers mention certain nozzles feeling large for 21mm casings. A few users report meat sticking in longer nozzles, and rare breakage complaints show up in reviews. This pick sits in the lower mid-range and comes in a single silver finish. Number 3. Wild Digit Professional Jerky Gun Kit. Number 3 moves into a more serious batch-focused option. This one feels aimed at people who want steady output without stopping every few minutes. I would point this pick out for its balance of size and control. The stainless steel tube holds close to 1 to 2 pounds of ground meat per fill, depending on how dense the mix is. That makes it easier to work through larger prep days. The squeeze trigger design works like a caulking gun, giving smooth flow and better control over strip thickness. 5 stainless steel nozzles cover flat jerky, round sticks, and sausage shapes, so variety stays built in. Build quality stands out here. Polished metal surfaces resist rust and help speed up cleanup. The aluminum handle keeps weight reasonable at about 2.5 pounds, even with the larger capacity. Cleaning stays simple with dishwasher-safe parts and multiple brush sizes reaching inside tight spots. Some buyers mention hand fatigue during long runs, especially with thicker meat mixes. A few raise questions about long-term wear, though feedback stays positive. This option lands in the mid-range and works well for hunters, bulk prep fans, and anyone making bigger batches. Number 2. Smokio Jerky Gun Kit. Number 2 brings a strong mix of capacity and smooth handling. This one feels built for people who want fewer reloads and steady output from start to finish. I want to highlight the large hopper right away. It holds close to 2 pounds of ground meat, enough to fill 3 to 4 standard 12 by 13-inch dehydrator trays in one go. That saves time during longer prep days. The barrel and nozzles use food-grade 304 stainless steel, paired with an aluminum handle that presses smoothly without jerky movement. Flow stays consistent, making it easier to keep strips even across the tray. 6 stainless steel nozzles come in the box, including a 19mm option for snack sticks. Flat strips, round jerky, and sausage shapes are all covered, giving flexibility without extra add-ons. The non-stick metal surface helps prevent clogging, and the unit breaks down fast for cleanup. 4 different brush sizes make short work of tight spots. This model comes in red and weighs about 2.5 pounds. It lands in the mid-range and suits bulk prep, hunting season batches, and family snack planning. Number 1. Lem Products Jerky Cannon. Taking the top spot, this one feels built for long-term use and repeat batches. It brings together smart design, steady output, and strong support from the brand behind it. The anodized aluminum barrel keeps weight down at about 1.5 pounds, yet it still feels confident in the hand. Flared ends make loading easier, and the trigger action stays smooth as meat moves through. Capacity tops out around 1.5 pounds per fill, which works well for full tray runs without feeling bulky. 2 included nozzles handle flat strips and round snack sticks, and the half-turn locking ring makes swaps quick. This setup works with beef, deer, turkey, and other ground meats. Cleanup stays simple since everything comes apart fully, and a nylon brush is included to speed things up. Replacement parts are available, backed by a 1-year warranty and lifetime customer support, which adds peace of mind. A few users mention rare handle issues early on, though most report years of steady use. This option lands in the upper mid-range and fits serious home jerky makers who want consistency batch after batch. That wraps things up for this breakdown of the best jerky guns. I hope this helped clear things up and made it easier to spot the option that fits how you like to prep snacks at home or on the go. If you want more gear guides like this, check out the other videos on the channel. There is plenty more waiting for you. Thanks for hanging out, and I will see you in the next one.